Hello, my name is Adam, and today I will be installing a window using the CC expanding sealer, the standard version. So what are the benefits of using the expanding sealer? It is very easy to install. It expands from 2 millimeters up to 30 millimeters. It's an environmentally friendly product, and most importantly, it has very good insulating and thermal conductivity properties. It doesn't itch like other products, and it can easily be readjusted, so you can modify the window frame without losing any insulation. Let's start by opening up the roll from the vacuum. I'm going to cut off the first 1 to 2 centimeters from the roll to get a straight edge. There are many different ways to use the CC expanding sealer. I'm going to show you how to use it on an already installed window. I'm going to cut the sealer to the same length as the gap on the sides, then to the same lengths as the frame, on the top and the bottom. Sometimes it can be easier to mount the sealer before inserting the window. To attach the sealer, use a brad nailer or a staple gun. But make sure you still use brad nails in the staple gun, so the sealer can expand to its full size. I'm going to start by placing the sealer in the upper corner, then I'm going to attach it. I'm using the CC expanding sealer to install a window, but there is many more applications. You can use it for doors, modular construction, prefabricated houses, movement joints. Whenever there is a gap that needs to be insulated, cut the sealer in all the corners of the window opening. We have chosen to place the window on flat shims packers. Make sure to cut around them. Are you going to be using a frame and leveling screw? Do this. Put the window sealer on the side of the window frame over the leveling screws and attach it to the window. You can cut out a hole for the screws, or you can, depending on the leveling screw, drill straight through the sealer. I continue by placing the window in the opening. Then it's just a matter of attaching the window and wait for the CC window sealer to expand. You can mount the frame screw straight through the window sealer. Now I'm standing on the inside of the window. The window sealer is vapor open, which means I have to seal for air and steam. I have chosen to use a plastic that I squeezed in with a foam backer rod. On it, I'm going to add a joint sealant. You can add the joint sealant straight onto the CC expanding sealer as well, if you use a water-based joint sealant, or you make it very easy for yourself and use an age-resistant tape. This is how you install a window with the CC expanding sealer. Now it's up to you to cover up the outside of the window. My work here is done. Now you have a window with superior insulation properties. Thanks for watching.